What are you?
Hey guys, so this is a backpack full of rocket launcher ammo. And I am going to do this, as y'all probably know. I think y'all know.
Wait, what about me?
The end, so we're going to use it. Basically, I
don't push
it.
me in your stash. Don't push me in. Just don't push me in. I
it's
swear,
your VPN. This was free.
I swear, don't push me in here. Do not. I swear.
I don't know what he's doing.
If you push me in there, I will nuke you.
I'm not gonna do anything with him, guys. I just need him to stay in the server. What the fuck? Okay.
I'm kissing.
Okay, put this on the ground. Do not touch this, or else I can't dupe it.
Okay.
That's basically all it is that we need. Okay. It's a video, by the way. Okay. 2 of them at a time.
2 of them? Is it so hard?
We can do 2 of them at a time now. So
how did you do them? How did?
I'm not telling you guys. Whatever. We'll give you that. Oh. What the? I don't know if I just broke it, but...
You duplicated it twice? Where are you? Wait, can you tell me how you're duplicating?
And now I'm gonna do 3 of them at a time.
Wait, how are you duplicating?
Don't go near these or don't touch these. I can't explain it.
Tell me how you're duplicating
I can't explain it.
Dummy.
Just stop. Get away from these or else I can't dupe them. Bro's an idiot. Oh, frick. Oh, no. I don't need my gallery. Why does it keep taking pictures? God damn it. Oh, yes. Oh.
I'm in here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. Don't touch these. I'm gonna do it until we get at least 10. 12. I'm gonna get 12 and then we're gonna dump this. Both 100%. Going to freaking not know how to do this.
Oh my gosh.
So that's 9. That's 9. So I'm gonna do it one more time for 12. Okay?
Oh. Yeah.
12, guys. I don't know how long this video is already. Recording. But after this, guys, we're gonna dump all of these in here and we're gonna hit them. Yo, bro. So here's the thing.
What?
We're done with them. Now what we gotta do is we need to dump all of these onto the ground. And
I know the place.
But you're not gonna hit them. We're just putting them on the ground right here. I'm going to
put
be
them right there on that.
You're going to be the one that's gonna hit them, but it's gonna be like Barney talks. We're just gonna put a bunch of them. You're going to hit them, but only when I tell you to. Throw the backpacks aside when you're done. You're gonna act like you're swimming in money. Okay, you're gonna act like you're swimming in them like this. Ooh. You're gonna be like this with them. And like going around, and then you're gonna grab the frying pan when I tell you to. And then you're going to just straight up, yeah. It's 100% crashing our server, by the way. Which is why it's gonna make a great video, guys.
Hey!
Oh my god, this is already crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
This is like
Crazy.
I'm gonna crash our server with this, guys.
Yeah, it's about to happen, but lagging so much.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Oh my god! Keep one of them. We're only gonna keep one of them.
I have two.
Leave one of them over there.
Okay. You mean do one at a time?
So, we're both gonna grab one in a second, and then yeah, that's it.
Put them over here so it can be actually be like I'm swimming.
I'm recording this. This is like a video, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I'm recording
so
this.
laggy.
They just watched me dupe a bunch
so
of
laggy.
these. It's so
Yeah,
laggy,
so
guys.
laggy.
It's probably not that bad on my camera. Okay. We're going to leave this one here. Does it have anything in it?
Oh my gosh. So freaking laggy.
And then I'm gonna.
So
Plus,
freaking
we're not
laggy.
even gonna be done after we do this, cause.
Wait, what if? Wait. I think what if we dump them all in a machine after we do this?
No, bro, we can't do that. We're going to explode them.
It's so freaking laggy.
We're going to explode them, guys. There's one right here.
Money talk.
Okay, just put all of them right here.
Okay, I'm gonna start doing it. Put a frying
So
pan
guys, I'm gonna post a short or an exploding this with the money talks thing as like the money talks trend where he's going to be swimming in it. And yeah.
It's so laggy, bro. It's so laggy.
Oh my god. Goodbye, guys.